어두운 절벽 위의 남녀.
Good riddance.
이들은 부서지는 파도 위로 무언가를 던져버렸는데요.
Thanks for trusting me.
묘하게 들떠 보이는 둘은
You're standing on the edge of a cliff with me, also a suspected murderer.
It's odd.
살인용이자 이들은 새로운 보니 앤 클라이드일까요?
Do you really think the cops suspect us?
But don't worry, they're not gonna look at the pretty rich valedictorian.
아니면 그냥 로맨틱한 연인일까요? 베이비 고등학교의 대나무 숲 About That. 전교생의 비밀을 쥐락펴락하는 이 어플의 개발자는
Privacy is a thing of the past. I know everything that went down this summer. And on Friday night, I'll take down 4 of Bayview's biggest offenders.
새 학기의 문을 열 4명의 희생자를 발표합니다.
Did you see that asshole's already posting?
예일 진학을 목표로 전교 1등을 놓치지 않는 우등생 브로니.
But that doesn't mean I can't get her thrown out on her ass.
프로리그 진입을 노리는 에이스 투수 쿠퍼.
I'll be the real winner and I reveal one MVP sweaty locker room secret.
남자친구 제이크와 뜨거운 연애 중인 금발 미녀 에디.
So I can't wait to tell you which of Bayview's varsity skank squad isn't as wrapped around her boyfriend's finger as much as you might have thought.
Jake's here.
Damn it.
그리고 베이뷰 최고의 문제야 네이트였죠.
My final story on Friday will be about one of my regulars, Bayview's most eligible felon.
이 개판 5분 전인 학교에 불만 가득한 이 청년이 바로 어바웃댓의 운영자 사이먼입니다.
Are you seriously posting from campus?
It's your lucky day to do something to make this day more interesting. By now, most of you have probably noticed the new girl, FJ. She may look harmless, but don't be fooled by her innocent smile, stabbing her English teacher in the back.
그의 정보력은 전학생도 피해갈 순 없었죠.
I promised this year wouldn't be boring, and I never break a promise.
엄하기로 유명한 에이버리 선생님의 첫 수업 시간.
If you break my laws, you'll find out that for every bone-headed action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Bronwyn.
누구 것인지 모를 전화가 울리는 바람에
This isn't my phone.
브로니는 처음으로 나머지 수업을 받게 되는데요.
Bronwyn Rojas. Detention on the first day of school.
Total misunderstanding.
개학 첫날부터 남게 된 5명의 학생. 공교롭게도 어바웃댓의 타겟 4사람과 사이먼이었습니다.
I just need to go get my water from my locker.
No.
Actually, no, I can't. I have xerostomia.
You may get a cup of water from the water cooler.
구강 건조증이 있는 사이먼이 물을 들어 일어난 사이 에이버리는 소란을 피우는 학생들을 잡으러 자리를 비웠는데요.
Oh my god!
Addie, do you recognize any of those asses?
Your obsession with other people's sex lives is seriously pathetic.
What about you, Coop?
I'll spend my time at the locker room staring at other guys' asses.
And of course they got away. You know, nobody at the school would get called out for anything if it weren't for me.
어김없이 재수없는 말을 뱉어내던 사이먼. 갑자기 호흡곤란을 일으키며 쓰러집니다. 가방에도 보건실에도 에피펜은 없었고
Addie, can you do something? Come help!
I don't have it. The nurse wasn't there and the box was empty.
사이먼은 정신을 잃은 상태로 실려갔죠.
Addie? Babe, hey, what happened? Hey.
재수없는 녀석이었지만 발작을 일으키는 모습은 걱정스러웠고
Everyone else knew exactly what to do, and I just stood there freaking out.
It looks like he was dying, don't you think?
But the ambulance got there really fast, so.
얼마 전 돌아가셨다는 네이트 어머니도 떠오르게 했습니다.
I'm really sorry about your mom. I wanted to. I'm sorry. I guess it's a weird time to bring it up.
Death makes you think of death. Let me drive you home.
복잡한 생각을 떨쳐내고자 달리는 두 나머지 수업 학생.
That was kind of awesome.
You got a helmet line.
Oh,
Hey, isn't that Simon's?
Sorry, it's my mom.
하지만 집에 도착하자마자 받게 된 소식은
She's dead.
사이먼의 비보였습니다.
Simon Kelleher tragically passed away yesterday after experiencing an allergic reaction.
학교에서는 사이먼의 죽음을 기리는 헌정 경기를 엽니다.
We will be honoring Simon's life at tomorrow night's football game.
사이먼의 유일한 친구였던 전에는 특히 큰 충격을 받았죠.
Addie? Yeah? You were there, right? Did you guys even try to help him?
You don't have to answer that, all right? You've been through enough.
그 자리에 있던 모두가 찝찝한 마음이 가시지 않던 이때 이들을 부르는 방송이 들려오고
She has a couple questions about what you witnessed yesterday.
네 사람은 경찰 조사를 받게 됩니다.
And we found traces of peanut oil in the cup he used during detention yesterday.
땅콩 오일을 먹고 알레르기 쇼크로 사망한 사이먼. 늘 가지고 다니던 에피펜조차 없었기에 타살이 의심되었는데요.
And why there were no EpiPens in the nurse's office or his bag for that matter.
Because they think one of us did it.
We're just trying to understand the whole picture.
어바웃댓의 타겟인데다 당시 함께 있었던 이들은 강력한 용의자였죠.
I understand you and Simon were numbers 1 and 2 in your class.
강력한 졸업생 대표 라이벌.
You went to the nurse's office yesterday before Simon died. Why?
I didn't.
Then why is your name in the nurse's log?
약이 사라진 보건실 일지에 이름이 있는 자.
You have 2 strikes. A third would mean doing time.
Look, I haven't sold in months, okay?
약물 판매 전과가 있는 자.
Transferred from Mississippi. Baseball the only reason for the move.
Yeah. I want to be able to play year-round. It's better for getting recruited.
So it didn't have anything to do with whatever's in your sealed record?
감춰둔 비밀을 들킨 자.
What about Simon's app? About that? Were you ever worried that he would write about you? Any secrets you didn't want getting out?
Everybody has secrets, right?
네 사람에게 살해 동기는 충분했습니다.
We haven't found Simon's bag or laptop.
게다가 누군가 사이먼의 가방까지 가져갔다고 했죠.
Yeah, I thought the paramedics took it.
Okay. Well,
그날 저녁
Hey, B. Nate McCauley's here.
브로닌을 찾아온 네이트.
What are you,
Doing here.
예전엔 꽤 친한 사이였지만 지금은 어색 그 자체였는데요.
I thought it was kind of nice talking again yesterday.
You want to know what I've been up to for the past 7 years?
Followed along and about that.
Yeah, that's one version of it.
Do you really think the cops suspect us?
But don't worry, they're not going to look at the pretty rich valedictorian. You probably should have told them about his bag, though.
그는 브로닌이 가방을 가져갔다고 생각합니다.
You don't have it.
I don't.
하지만 그녀는 강하게 부인했죠.
You should give it back to his parents and hope that they give you the benefit of the doubt.
카메라는 각자의 비밀을 비춥니다. 쿠퍼에게는 킬리라는 예쁘고 착한 여자친구가 있었지만
You said you were gonna break up with her.
Alright, pro baseball still totally homophobic.
그는 사실 프로 선수가 되기 위해 정체성을 감추고 있는 동성애자였죠.
It's not fair to lie to her, man.
She knows, Lucas.
사실 킬리도 이 비밀을 공유하고 있었습니다.
I just don't get it. Why you?
Look, she's my best friend. She needs it too, okay?
상양아치처럼 보이는 네이트는 알코올 중독 아버지와 살고 있는 소년 가장이었는데요.
I watched someone die and the cops think I killed him.
이날도 물건을 건넨 뒤 서둘러 자리를 떠나던 네이트.
seriously?
What do you think?
문 앞에서 마주친 그녀의 남자친구에게 대금을 빼앗기고 말았죠.
I bet anybody $50 I throw for at least 300 tonight.
사이먼의 헌정 경기 당일 남일로 생각하는 친구들은 그의 이야기를 가십으로 소화합니다.
This whole dedication thing is so awkward. As if he even went to a game.
I just want his last post. I want to know what he had.
I know. I mean, couldn't he have just drank the peanut oil on Monday?
하지만 에디는 그 얘기를 듣는 것만으로도 심장이 뛰었는데요.
What are you doing?
사실 그녀는 제이크의 절친 TJ와 부적절한 관계를 가졌었다는 비밀을 감추고 있었죠.
Simon knew. That cheating post was obviously going to be about us. And if anyone else finds out, you will regret it.
헌정 경기 시작 전 학교 측에서는 전애에게 국가 재창을 부탁합니다.
Look inside. You're just some racist who can't tie my laces. Fuck you.
하지만 전애는 충격적인 노래로 무대를 뒤집었죠.
Fuck you.
Okay. That was,
Insane?
그런데 그날 밤 주인을 잃은 어플의 알람이 울리고
Jake, Addie.
자신이 사이먼을 죽였다는 익명의 자백이 포스팅됩니다.
You need to see this.
이 담대한 범인은 누구일까요?
let's face it. We all hated Simon. I was just the only one with enough guts to do something about it.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
의문의 포스팅 이후 에디는 더 전전긍긍했지만
Hey, he doesn't deserve you, okay?
Everyone's gonna find out.
비밀을 아는 자가 사라진 쿠퍼는 연상의 썸남 크리스와 만남을 시작합니다.
I'll talk to you later. Maybe I can help you with that.
그러나 작은 말실수로 고등학생이라는 걸 들켰고
I'm about ready to lose it on my AP English teacher.
It's a high school class. Cooper, you in high school? You lied about going to college.
쫓겨나고 맙니다.
First laptop.
Simon's laptop? Last I heard, you did not have it.
사실 정말 가방을 갖고 있었던 브로니는 노트북을 잃어버리고 마는데요.
Oh, and you think I stole it?
그 사실을 알고 있던 네이트를 의심하게 되었죠.
No, because if my parents had found it, I would have heard about it immediately.
You really trust your parents, huh?
Yeah, I trust them more than a drug dealer one strike away from jail.
모두의 관심이 쏠린 이 사건. 학생들은 대폭로가 예고된 4명 중 하나를 범인으로 추측합니다.
Just that 4 big posts got teased and then 4 people were in detention with Simon.
당사자들은 무척 예민해졌죠.
Can we just drop this?
Sorry to disappoint, but that post obviously wasn't going to be about me.
초조함이 극에 달했던 에디.
Here you'll be learning nothing short of seriously.
I have no idea how.
You know phones aren't allowed in class. Now, where were we?
What?
Right.
I got detention too, so guess I'll see you there.
Principal Gupta, how can I help you?
Addie, can you come with me, please?
갑자기 소지품 검사까지 받게 되자 더욱 불안해합니다.
What if someone put something in our lockers? And Bronwyn said someone put a phone in her bag, and that's how she got detention. And I got detention in a weird way too.
If you haven't done anything wrong, you got nothing to worry about.
그리고 하필 땅콩 함유 보습제를 가지고 있었죠.
Somebody plant this peanut oil in there?
It's moisturizing. Look, this peanut oil could not have killed Simon. Peanut oil has to be cold pressed for someone with allergies to react to it. And
How do you know that?
saw it on the Food Network.
I think one of you took Simon's laptop.
로커 조사 후에도 1대1 조사가 이어집니다.
Sure, you had a perfectly good reason for taking it. But you gotta tell me now.
퀼러는 네 사람은 이제 살인사건 용의자가 되었다고 통보했죠.
This is now a murder investigation. We found peanut oil in Simon's cup and only Simon's cup. That happens in the moment, in the room. Nobody had the opportunity except for the 4 of you.
시장댁 도련님이었던 사이먼. 상황을 알게 된 어른들은 수사가 집요하고 빠를 거라고 예상했습니다.
Mayor's kid. They're gonna try to pin that on somebody fast.
유복한 집에서 자란 두 아이는 큰 걱정이 없었지만
Stay away from Addie, especially the one with the criminal record. Nate.
We are gonna go to college together, and after college we'll get married and travel the world. And he'll go into the family business, and I'll be a mom, but a good one.
둘은 그렇지 않았는데요.
School okay?
Everything's good.
판매 대금을 잃어버리고 독촉받던 네이트는 경찰 조사까지 받게 되며 해결할 방법을 잃어버리게 됩니다.
Are you gonna go to the wake?
No?
Especially after peanut oil.
What?
번에서는 특히 이 사건에 집착에 가까운 관심을 보였는데요.
What if that post was about him and Kaylee? I feel bad saying this. I've always thought they were a weird couple.
아무래도 어색했던 가짜 커플이었기에 쉽게 넘어갈 수 있었죠. 그런데 사이먼과 의외의 친분을 갖고 있었던 제이크.
She had to come to school today to clean out his locker, and she asked me. Now she wants me to come to the wake so I can take something to remember him by.
에디도 덩달아 경야에 참석하게 됩니다.
I will go with you if you really want me to.
And I don't know, maybe we'll find his diary or something. Except now I'd have everyone's secrets in it.
비밀 일기장이 있을지도 모른다는 농담이 마음에 걸렸기 때문이었죠. 한편 직접 의문을 해소하기 위해 나섰던 브로니.
You said you got detention in a weird way, too?
An alarm went off on my phone that I know I didn't set.
Wait, do you know how Cooper and Nate got detention?
쿠퍼와 네이트가 예상치 못한 사고로 지각하게 되었다는 것을 알게 됩니다.
Coming out of gym and I couldn't find my phone. Under some lockers.
I did make an effort to be on time first day. My locker was jammed. I had to get the janitor. Dude had to pry it open with a crowbar.
I think someone set us up.
수상하다는 생각을 접을 수가 없었지요. 그때 다시 울리는 알람.
I mean, so what if the police found peanut oil in Addie Prentice's locker? And I thought I was being obvious.
에디의 로커에서 땅콩 오일이 나왔다는 정보가 전교에 퍼집니다.
Okay.
덕분에 그녀를 범인처럼 여기는 시선은 경야에서도 이어졌죠.
It's bugging me, so just be honest.
Okay.
Do you really think that post was about Killian Cooper? I should tell Cooper, right?
Jake.
그리고 수습할 틈도 없이 가버리죠.
What? Don't beat
No,
me.
I'll be right back. Please don't.
게다가 경야에서 마주친 불편한 여자아이.
What the
fuck are you doing here?
Relax.
4명의 용의자와 함께 휠러 형사도 경야에 참석합니다. 에디의 불쾌함은 극에 달하죠.
Find anything?
Jackpot.
제이크는 일기장 대신 추억이 담긴 엑스박스를 챙겨 방을 떠납니다.
You should probably put that in the car. People don't get the wrong idea.
Right.
에디는 진짜 있을지도 모를 일기장을 찾아 방을 뒤졌지만 때마쳐 등장한 사이먼의 엄마 켈러와 필러.
Whoever took that computer knows what they're doing.
What about the peanut oil in that girl's locker?
We just got the results back from the lab. It's not a match. Actually, we're working on a theory that all of them did this.
Well, whoever it was, I want them found and arrested soon, or my office will find someone else to do your job.
켈러는 이번 일을 정치적으로 이용하려고 했고
I know it would have meant the world to him to have you all here.
전에는 진심으로 슬퍼하는 이가 하나도 없는 친구의 죽음이 더욱 안타깝기만 합니다.
Interesting, you here?
Oh, this by far.
He would hate this. I mean, they're making this into like his mom's political fundraiser.
Yeah, well, in my experience, these things always end up being about the people in the room, not the person that died.
브로닌의 동생 메이브만이 그녀를 위로했죠.
Like making fun of everyone. Everybody here hated him.
Not everybody.
브로닌은 자신의 추리를 확인하기 위해 용의자들을 불러 모읍니다.
Who gave you detention?
Same. It's basically her signature move.
And we were all set up. And then there's the new about that posts. Somebody's messing with us.
그런데 진실을 확인하기는커녕 서로 의심하며 다투던 네 사람.
So you guys have no secrets.
And even if Simon thought he had something on one of us, that doesn't mean he got it right.
Is that why you told Vanessa that the cheating one was about Keely?
I think we should go to the police.
Yeah, of course you trust the cops.
Excuse me?
The police think we did it together. This can't happen.
경찰이 의심하고 있다는 에디의 말에 아무 의혹도 해소하지 못한 채 해산합니다.
Hey, Evan.
브로닌의 남자친구 에번도 이들이 뭉쳐다니는 것을 걱정
I thought your lawyer had said to never be seen with him. Ever.
혹은 질투했는데요.
Well, I don't want that guy to bring you down with him. You're better than that. In the meantime, I hope that I'll do.
브로닌은 자신을 감싸주려는 에번에게 감동했죠. 에디가 낸 가짜 소문은 오래가지 못했습니다.
And even if I wanted to, I would never lie about it. I wouldn't do that to you. Because I know you wouldn't do that to me.
줄곧 거짓말이 들통날까 불안에 떨던 에디.
What the fuck is that asshole doing here?
Maybe we'll talk to him anyway.
Hey, get a
okay.
room! But not your room. Because TJ and I just used it. Speaking of fucking, we need you for beer pong because we're gonna fuck
Yes,
you.
yes, you do.
신경 안정제를 과복용하고 있었는데요.
Your Xanax habit isn't half as interesting as what happened between you and TJ.
사이먼은 그녀의 약물 문제도 바람도 모두 알고 있었죠.
I guess we're both full of surprises, huh?
Hey. You ready to go?
그리고 에디의 이상해진 태도를 진작 느끼고 있었던 제이크.
I talked to Coop. Coop said that there's no way. Did you make that up?
킬리를 모함했다는 것까지 알게 되자 그녀가 포스팅의 주인공인지 의심합니다.
The one thing that I wouldn't be able to take is you lying to me. Was that post about you?
I started the rumor because I didn't want you to think it was. Jake, I was so scared of losing you.
에디는 또 거짓말을 하게 되었죠.
That's all I needed to hear. Come here.
네 사람은 아무도 없는 극장에서 몰래 회담을 갖습니다.
Why are we here?
Because Addie's right. Because the police think we did it together.
Heard the cops talking to Simon's mom.
브로니는 신뢰를 위해 자신이 포스팅 주인공 중 하나라고 털어놓았지만
What did you do?
Okay, I'm not ready to be that honest yet.
Okay, well then you have a motive. But I don't. No matter what some people say.
I said I was sorry.
There's something?
No.
지은 죄가 있었던 에디는 비밀을 토해내는데요.
Cheated on him. Thought he didn't love me anymore. And he wasn't texting me back, but he was still posting on his story every day. And I was drunk and sad and mad, and TJ was there, and I'm gonna end up single and alone and a murder suspect because now I have a motive.
Hey.
It's only motive if people know about it, and they don't.
Because someone killed him. And now they're trying to frame us.
하지만 아직 말 그대로 비밀 살해 동기가 되기는 어려웠고
Whoever's doing it hated Simon. But who also hated us?
이날의 소득은 범인이 사이먼과 네 사람을 동시에 증오하는 자라는 결론뿐이었죠.
Okay, please listen. I know I messed up.
속마음을 공유할 곳이 필요했는지 쿠퍼는 다시 크리스를 찾아가 화해를 청합니다.
Cooper, I don't care that you're 17. I care that you lied to me.
Yeah.
How about we just start over?
크리스는 거짓말을 했던 것에 화가 났었다며 사과를 받아주었죠. 그런데 그날 밤 새로운 포스팅이 올라옵니다.
Simon may have left you high and dry, but making you wait for a good reveal? Seems Addie Prentice is no good at waiting either.
She didn't last a week before finding a new boy toy to play with while Jake was in Greece this summer.
그리고 사이먼의 노트북은 브로닌의 동생 메이브의 손에 있었죠. 폭로 후 제이크는 에디를 피하기 시작합니다.
Rude. Addie.
제이크와 결혼까지 꿈꾸던 에디는 크게 상심했지만 기회라고 생각했는지 오랫동안 간직한 마음을 고백하는 DJ.
That night at the beach, do you know how long I've wanted that? I mean, you were with Jake. You guys had your whole lives planned, you know? The house, the kids, the dog. I mean, but then that night at the beach happened and... Motherfucker.
하필 제이크가 이 절절한 고백을 들어버렸고 둘은 정교 공식 불륜 커플이 되어버리고 맙니다.
Fuck it. God damn it.
I love you.
No, you don't. No, you don't. If you loved me, you wouldn't have done it.
You bitch. What? With my boyfriend? Good luck with the rest of your life, honestly.
그리고 뒤이어 네이트의 비밀이 폭로됩니다.
But did you know he almost dealt a death blow this summer when he sold to a junior who OD'd?
Fuck this.
큰 주목을 받게 된 네이트는 일자리를 잃었죠.
First Addie and now Nate?
점점 다가오는 자신의 차례. 브로닌은 다시 모임을 소집합니다.
You look like you could use this.
에디는 브로닌을 의심하고
I think it's Bronwyn.
She wouldn't do that.
How do you know?
I know.
Get a room.
브로닌은 수상한 모두를 의심합니다.
We have to figure out who's posting the secrets.
Well, we know it's not me or Nate, so that leaves the two of you. And one of you seems like she'd be a little better at computers.
Why are you assuming it's one of us? What about Janae? She was Simon's best friend.
Why are you always pointing the finger at other people?
I'm going to point the finger at someone here because I could.
모임은 이번에도 다투기만 하다 끝났죠.
Night's still young.
브로닌의 불안감은 하나도 해결되지 않았습니다.
We know that you have nothing to hide.
Just obviously your teenage daughter doesn't have any secrets.
그때 갑자기 코피를 쏟는 메이브.
I'll grab her bag.
원래도 병약했던 그녀였기에 가족들은 익숙하게 병원 짐을 챙기는데요. 사라졌던 노트북은 동생의 옷장에 들어있었죠. 브로니는 동생이 병원에 있는 사이 노트북을 다시 훔치기로 합니다.
So let's go get it. See what she's been up to.
Plus, it just feels really shitty to be snooping on my sister while she's in the hospital.
If you want to know if Maeve's behind this, and if we can stop her, you gotta do the shitty thing.
에디는 버네사의 등살에 거의 왕따가 됩니다.
God, is it really necessary?
쿠퍼가 중재를 시도했지만
Keely fucked TJ, you befriended me staying friends with her?
그는 자신의 계약 연애를 감추기에도 벅찼는데요.
I'm sorry I lied to you. Simon would figure me out and then... God, it's my baseball career.
What if we could help each other? Well, my crazy ex hasn't shown up since we started dating. We can just keep doing this.
그때 쿠퍼의 새로운 비밀이 터집니다.
Turns out Cooper Clay isn't the natural talent everybody thinks he is. OJ isn't the only juice fueling those fastballs.
This is actually good news. This proves Simon didn't know about you. Destroy that showcase and then take a drug test to prove you did it fair and square.
이상하게도 쿠퍼가 짐작하던 것과는 다른 내용이었죠.
Perception matters, right?
아버지는 쇼케이스를 잔뜩 기대하고 계셨지만
You think I'm doping?
I didn't say that.
How can you even suggest that
You already did once. Mississippi. You make me proud tomorrow.
치명적 비밀을 안고 있었던 쿠퍼.
You should tell your girlfriend you suck dick, but here we are. I'm just not so sure about your rock'em sock'em jock pals. Relax. I do have a moral code. I've never outed anyone yet.
제 실력을 발휘하기 어려울 정도의 어깨 통증은 덤이었죠.
Sorry, does that hurt? No.
휴식을 취하던 쿠퍼. 예상치 못한 얼굴을 마주칩니다.
This is my last sale for a while.
That's cool, dude.
크리스도 네이트의 고객이었던 거죠. 그의 성지향성은 커리어를 박살낼 수도 있는 문제였지만
I know that guy, okay?
Like, really in the closet.
크리스는 그 문제를 이해하지 못합니다.
Gay and baseball, they don't mix.
There's other things to do with your life.
Baseball's the thing that makes me feel alive.
Jesus. What if baseball's so important to you? What are you gonna do about your shoulder?
메이브가 입원한 사이 새 글이 올라오며 불편함을 조금 덜었던 브로닌.
I left it right there. It's not there.
Are you sure?
하지만 노트북은 진작 가져간 뒤였고
Wondering if I could swing by the house and get anything for Maeve?
Your father was there earlier to get some clothes and her laptop.
Sorry, Mom. One sec.
사이먼과 찍은 사진까지 발견합니다.
Bronwyn?
Sorry, Mom. I'm here.
He forgot everything else, so he's on his way back now.
He's what?
게다가 아빠에게 네이트와 함께 있는 것까지 걸리며 외출 금지까지 내려졌죠.
That's not the kind of help I've heard you provide. You're grounded and no phone.
에디는 두 남학생의 치정 싸움으로 교장실까지 불려갑니다.
But there is a disagreement about who started the fight. I would hate to punish the wrong person.
교장은 에디에게 징계를 받을 주동자를 고르라고 했죠.
Where's TJ?
제이크를 배신할 수 없었던 에디는 TJ를 지목합니다.
TJ, I'm really sorry.
정학을 받은 TJ. 완전히 실망한 그는 알 수 없는 말을 남기고 떠나버렸죠.
I just wish you could see yourself like I see you. I really did try to keep our secret from coming out. Some of them I'm not really cool with.
발이 묶인 브로니는 동생에게 직접 노트북에 대해 묻습니다.
Just whatever you're doing, you gotta stop
I'm not
now.
doing anything.
하지만 메이브는 어바웃댓의 업로드를 막으려 했을 뿐이라고 해명했는데요.
By hacking into the app to stop your secret from dropping. And I failed. I'm sorry.
폰을 압수당한 사이 업로드된 브로닌에 대한 폭로.
She didn't get that A in chemistry through plain old hard work. Unless that's how you define stealing exams from Mr. C's filing cabinet. Someone call Yale.
전교생이 경멸의 눈초리로 바라봤죠.
Are you okay? I tried to call you.
그녀에게 평소처럼 말을 거는 건 에번과
Are you gonna ask if it's true?
Oh, you think I'm worried about the post? No. I already know that that's bullshit.
God, I'm an asshole.
I'll see you for debate prep.
See you later.
네이트뿐이었죠. 그는 익숙한 폰을 건네며 다가왔지만
This is the phone that I...
I've been using one for work long before, and you even put one in your bag. My number's in there.
Aren't we in enough trouble as it is, Nate?
브로니는 선을 그으며 물러났습니다.
Hey. So do you still think I'm posting the secrets?
에디는 반가운 소식을 전해옵니다.
I stole her phone. I wanted to see if your theory was right.
전애가 용의 선상에서 벗어났다는 것이었죠.
Okay, thing is, I read some of her messages to Simon. Turns out she hated about that. I really don't think she posted our secrets.
하지만 안타깝게도 제이크와의 사이는 회복되지 않았는데요.
You think what you did in the principal's office changes anything? But I guess that's what you do now, right?
Jake, no, please don't.
We're done. How am I ever supposed to trust you again? Did you kill him?
How could you ask me that?
혼자 슬픔을 가라앉히던 에디. 누군가를 잃는 슬픔에 통곡하는 동지를 만납니다.
Janae, is that you? Do you need anything? Fuck off!
거의 처음으로 말을 섞게 된 둘.
I'm really sorry about Simon. You must really miss him. Simon would find this really ironic. By the way, that his death would make you deign to talk to me.
생각보다 잘 맞는 것 같았죠.
Hey! I'm suddenly pretty free. For what it's worth, you're better off without him. You suck like 20% less.
도저히 가라앉지 않는 어깨 통증. 쿠퍼는 네이트에게 도움을 청합니다.
I've got a huge game tonight. Scouts are gonna be there. My shoulder's fucked.
Damn, man. Sounds like a tough spot to be in.
Look, man, I need to do well. If I don't make that happen, my family's screwed.
I don't do painkillers.
네이트는 이 약에 별로 좋지 않은 기억이 있었지만 결국 끝까지 거절하지 못했죠.
Why'd you change your mind?
I know what it's like to have people relying on you. This was a one-time thing, though. They fucked up my dad's life. Even worse than my mom being gone.
I'm sorry. I know.
멀기만 했던 두 사람은 서로를 조금 이해하게 됩니다.
Hey, good luck with whatever this is.
쿠퍼는 마약성 진통제의 힘으로 경기를 훌륭하게 소화해냅니다.
miles per hour.
계약연인 킬리는 모두의 앞에서 진하게 키스하는데 이 장면을 목격한 크리스.
Chris! Because you made such a big deal about this thing, I wanted to come and support you.
Look, she helps me and I help her. I've scared away her crazy ex. And your dad knows too? No, he doesn't.
You said you were only in the closet for baseball.
비밀투성이인 쿠퍼를 이해하지 못하겠다며 떠나버립니다.
I always fall for the wrong guys.
Hey, goodbye, Cooper. Can we talk, please?
그리고 이 실랑이는 필러의 눈에 들어왔죠.
I found these when I was looking for Simon's computer.
브로니는 동생과 사이먼의 관계에 대해 알게 됩니다.
Because I was in love with him? I'm sorry, what? You...
둘은 잠시 썸을 탔다고 했죠.
We had a thing. I thought that he really liked me too. Then he just ghosted.
노트북을 훔친 건 언니를 돕기 위해서기도 했지만 그가 잠적했던 이유를 알기 위해서이기도 했습니다.
Why'd you take the laptop?
이제는 브로닌이 비밀을 드러낼 차례.
I mean, aren't you tired of pretending to be perfect all the time?
폭탄 발언을 던집니다.
I did it. I cheated. Wasn't clicking. No matter how hard I studied, I wouldn't be valedictorian. I wouldn't get into Yale. And that just wasn't an option. I'm just not the perfect girl you think I am.
하지만 부모님은 정직보다는 결과를 선택하셨고.
We spoke with Robin about this possibility that the post might be true. So if anyone asks, it never happened.
But she was...
No. No buts. Understood.
걷잡을 수 없이 혼란스러워진 브로니는 네이트에게 전화를 걸었죠.
You want more trouble, Rojas?
네이트에게 거래 명단을 얻으려 한 적이 있었던 사이먼.
Look, man, I'm sure you have a lot of customers who just pretend to be so pure. I mean, don't you think those assholes deserve to be named and shamed? Give me someone else to write about, and I'll stop writing about you.
홍보가 된다며 그의 협박을 무시하는 네이트에게 훈수를 뒀었는데요.
I don't think advertising being a criminal works out well for anyone in the end.
Suspects? 4 of his own classmates, especially the one with a history of drug-related arrests.
That dead asshole might have been right, Stan.
이제는 학교가 아닌 전국의 이슈가 된 사건.
Police are totally focused on Nate.
네이트는 전국구 마약상 취급을 받으며 가장 유력한 후보로 떠올랐고.
We're going to find out if this post is true. And if it is, it not only gives you motive in Simon's murder, or in fact that you've been dealing drugs at all while on probation. That's jail time.
브로닌도 시험지를 훔친 것에 대한 조사를 받게 됩니다.
Well, then you'd fail AP chemistry. And I suppose we'd have to inform the police since it would show motive in Simon's murder. If you did nothing wrong, there's nothing to worry about.
에버는 스트레스에 사로잡힌 브로닌의 기분을 풀어주기 위해 노력했죠.
Maybe let's just take a little break. Crashing. And the sight. Take your mind off the stresses of the day.
I can try.
I have gotten us tickets to the Phoebe Bridgers concert tomorrow night.
이때 쿠퍼의 검사 결과가 나오는데요.
Yo. You didn't tell me it was going to be positive for painkillers.
진통제를 먹었다는 것을 들켜버립니다.
My shoulder was messed up and I was not about to blow my chance. Our chance.
The cops are already trying to tie this thing to Nate, so we can't have them thinking that you have anything to do with him.
아버지는 이번 결과가 수사에 불리하게 작용될까 걱정했지만
There are any more surprises?
모든 것을 다 오픈할 수는 없었죠.
Darn.
Okay.
다시 모인 내 용의자 브로니는 경찰의 시선을 다른 쪽으로 돌리자는 의견을 냅니다.
Okay, we don't talk to reporters. We give them something else to talk about.
Like what?
Like a new suspect? I mean, we know the cops think we work together, so if we set them on the right trail, maybe the cops will follow.
그 타겟으로 엮인 것이 많은 전해를 지목했고.
I mean, she was definitely into him, right? That's perfect. We know the media loves a lover spat, so if we lay low so they don't have anything new to say about us, we give them something on Janae, maybe they'll run with it, and I could talk to her.
그녀와 최근 부쩍 친해진 에디가 함정을 파기로 했죠.
Where were you?
Nowhere.
이 회담은 비밀이었지만 끈질기게 언니를 감시하는 메이브.
Means that I finally got into some of Simon's encrypted files and I found something. But I'm not going to show you until you tell me where you were.
Fine.
그녀가 알아낸 정보를 위해 브로니는 몇 가지 사실을 털어놓습니다.
I was with Nate and Addie and Cooper.
Are you insane? So you guys really do have some kind of murder club?
If anything, it's a mutual exoneration club, because none of us did it.
I think one of them might have.
그리고 꽤 중요한 정보를 얻게 되었죠.
Whoever's posting on about that changed Cooper's secret, and my guess is that that someone is Cooper.
하지만 생각보다 예민한 쿠퍼의 진짜 비밀.
The real post says that he's gay.
That's, unexpected.
브로니는 노트북을 경찰에 넘길지 비밀을 지켜줘야 할지 갈등에 빠집니다.
Nate McCauley? I was hoping for a quick word.
언론은 네이트를 집요하게 따라다닙니다.
I'd love to hear your side of the story.
네이트는 브로닌의 말에 따라 모든 인터뷰를 거절했죠.
Fuck you. I said no comment.
그는 사이먼과 다투고 잔뜩 취한 전우에게도 약을 팔았고
I want some drugs, please.
You should go home.
You should do your job. You could keep the change.
그녀는 죽을 고비를 넘겼는데요.
Jay, hey, I need an ambulance. 44 Ellen Road. Come on, I need you to throw up.
약물 구매자 명단에만 관심 있던 사이먼은 그날 이후 네이트를 증오했습니다.
What happened to Janae was your fault.
I'm not the one that left my best friend wasted and alone at a party.
You're the one who sold her enough pills to kill her.
And I don't give a shit what you write about me.
I think you might if your probation officer reads it. And if that doesn't work, well, I'll just keep looking. Girlfriend, a parent, and I'm gonna destroy you with it.
이 사실은 혼자만의 비밀이었죠. 아침부터 집에 들이닥친 경찰 덕분에 쿠퍼는 결석합니다.
Hey, Cooper's not here today. It may mean that we're right. That he changed his post and he killed Simon.
이 소식에 의심이 깊어진 브로니는 그의 과거를 캐보기로 했죠.
I just want to know if we can trust him.
한편 맡은 역할에 충실한 에디.
Addie, has it ever occurred to you that Jake may have been a little controlling?
I know you think he's an asshole, but he's actually really sweet and funny when you get to know him.
자기 얘기로 공감대를 형성하며 전해를 떠보는데요.
What about Simon? What was he like when you got to know him?
I don't know. Wasn't trying to be anybody but who he was. Why couldn't anyone else? That's what About That was supposed to be for. You know, you expose the hypocrites and you encourage people to be more real. I know he got carried away.
Did you ever want to stop him? Jake would get carried away too.
생각보다 쉽게 속내를 들려주던 전해.
You know, of all the people I thought might understand, I really didn't expect it to be you.
Janae, we both lost our best friends. The men that we were in love with.
Are you serious? I'm gay, which you might know if you ever paid attention to anyone other than yourself. And second of all, your shitty little boyfriend dumped you. My best friend was murdered. It's not even remotely the same thing.
사실 에디가 자신을 이해하지 못했다는 걸 깨달은 순간 화를 내며 가버렸습니다.
I cannot believe how fast guys respond when they think they're talking to Maya Starr.
그때 자매는 사칭 계정을 만들어 쿠퍼의 친구에게 접근합니다. 그러나 별 소득 없이 들켜버리고 마는데.
Okay, Bronwyn, promise me that you won't go. What if he actually did it?
네이트는 그의 말을 먼저 들어보자며 브로닌을 진정시킵니다.
I just want to see what he has to say.
There's usually more to a story than meets the eye.
그날 밤 다시 모인 네 사람.
Are you going to tell us why we're here?
Are you Maya Starr? You see, I thought that we were working together to find the police a new suspect.
Your secret was the only one that was fake, and then I heard the cops were at your house this morning, and I just
And you could have asked me.
배신감을 느낀 쿠퍼는 화를 냈고
I wasn't in school because my dad is in the fucking hospital. He had a heart attack this morning.
아침의 소란에 대해서 해명합니다.
He could have died today. He could have died not knowing who his son is.
그리고 수정되기 전에 진짜 비밀도 스스로 털어놨죠.
I'm gay. Okay, and I tell myself I'm in the closet just because of baseball, but then why can't I tell my dad, right? The only person I want to talk to about this shit isn't speaking to me because he knows I'm a coward.
And I'm really sorry.
My life is already a total mess, and if this gets out, I don't know what I will do.
Nobody's gonna say anything.
All of our lives are.
네이트가 그를 위해 크리스와의 다리를 놓아주던 순간 다시 울리는 알람.
Your 4 favorite murder suspects held a secret midnight meeting last night.
Are they trying to cover up for what they did to Simon?
Or are they choosing their next victim?
And this was last night. I thought you said that you were sick.
에버는 자신에게 또 비밀을 만든 것에 화를 냈고
So are you gonna explain?
I don't think I can. This is my life right now, and I don't want to be distracted by the beach or concert. I just want to figure out who killed Simon. I'm so sorry. I can't do this anymore.
Right. I'll see you around, Bronwyn.
브로니는 결국 그와 헤어지게 됩니다.
Mr. Rojas.
Yes.
We have a warrant to search your home.
또 한 번 올라온 폭로에 네 사람을 향한 의혹은 걷잡을 수 없이 깊어집니다.
Is there anybody else on the premises?
How can I help you, officer?
위험한 순간도 있었지만
Mind taking the cover off?
메이브가 노트북을 숨겨둔 덕분에 다행히 체포되지 않았죠.
That's not Simon's laptop.
I really am sorry. The place is so messy. I hope I didn't make your job harder.
If either of you think of anything else that could be helpful, call me.
Anything I can do to help. That's how you treat the police if you want them on your side.
에디의 엄마는 이번 기회를 인플루언서가 될 계기로 삼으라며 들떴고
Like it or not, this is your 15 minutes of fame. You're the blonde beauty, Addie. This could be your chance at a real future, baby.
엄마에게 완전히 질려버린 에디는 완전히 달라지기로 마음먹었죠. 쿠퍼는 힘든 시간을 보내게 되었지만
He would have flipped if he was here.
Yeah, which is why we're not gonna tell him about this.
And what about you? Gonna be okay?
다행히 네이트의 연락을 받은 크리스가 돌아와 주었습니다.
No, bro. Don't worry about me.
브로니는 노트북을 없애 쿠퍼를 보호하기로 결정합니다.
We're destroying it.
What?
We don't think Cooper did it.
메이브는 반대했지만
We can't do that to Cooper.
I really hope you're right.
사이먼의 노트북은 절벽 아래로 사라졌죠.
Good riddance.
비밀을 가장 밀접하게 공유한 두 사람은
Thanks for trusting me. You talked to Cooper with me.
You're standing on the edge of a cliff with me, also a suspected murderer.
That's hot.
한 발 더 가까워졌는데요.
My room's a mess. Please don't judge.
둘을 한 번에 멀어지게 만드는 일이 일어납니다.
Nathaniel.
Mom?
죽었다던 네이트의 어머니가 나타난 거지요.
I owe you many apologies.
심한 우울증으로 떠났던 그의 어머니.
Yeah, she thought you were dead.
Is that what you told people?
I like that version better.
네이트의 뉴스를 보고 돌아왔던 거지요.
I know my presence in your life was harmful, but it's me again, and right now you need someone in your corner. If you can just let me try.
경찰이 사이먼의 하드도 찾아내며 브로니는 네이트 못지않은 유력한 용의자가 됩니다.
Is this post true?
I studied hard.
Any reason he'd target you?
That I am competitive when it comes to my academics, but the idea that I would harm someone just to be valedictorian, it's preposterous. Okay, wait, it's not...
Where did this come from?
Simon's hard drive.
I think this conversation's over.
네 사람에게는 협력이 필요했지만
Hey, we gotta meet.
제이크는 쿠퍼가 그들과 어울리는 것을 심하게 못마땅해 했죠.
You really think those assholes are your friends?
새로운 장소에서 모인 네 사람.
The cops have a copy of Simon's hard drive.
We found his laptop.
No, just the hard drive.
Wow, nice dude.
Well, I'm glad you're alive.
브로니는 네이트와 감정 싸움을 시작합니다.
Then what is all the weirdness?
Just forget it. It's irrelevant.
My mom's back in town, all right?
덕분에 감추고 있던 것들까지 드러나며 네 사람 사이의 신뢰는 완전히 깨져버렸죠.
Oh, we're talking about lies? How about who stole Simon's laptop?
What does that mean?
Okay, I took it, put it without looking suspicious.
Did you look on it?
Yeah. Simon knew your real secret, and he was all ready to post it, and then someone changed it.
And you thought that someone was me.
You're a fucking liar. You knew she was manipulating us this whole time.
Jake was right. This is a mistake.
Cooper, we got rid of the laptop to protect you.
Except you didn't, right? Because now the cops magically have the hard drive.
경찰 조사를 앞둔 쿠퍼 아버지에게 밑밥을 깔아두는데
The police may bring up some random gossip. Simon might have thought that I was like into guys.
I've been in England for a while now.
아버지는 그의 비밀을 알고 계셨고 잘했다며 격려했습니다.
I'm proud of you, son. No need to let this your inclination ruin your future. You've been smart, so.
그 말은 묘한 기분을 불러일으켰죠. 에디와 쿠퍼는 따로 범인을 찾기 시작합니다.
If someone did change the post to something false, what if they were trying to help you?
수상한 점을 발견했지만
Wait, weren't we at lunch when this post dropped? 3:13 p.m. That's 3 hours ahead.
일단 둘만 알고 있기로 했죠.
Some of the questions I need to ask you are a bit personal in nature. Who were you talking to in the parking lot?
크리스와의 만남을 목격했던 휠러는 올라온 글이 사실이라고 확정했고
We might have to talk to him.
Why?
Now, if this was a secret that could jeopardize your future in the major leagues.
I would never hurt someone.
Really?
가장 감추고 싶어 했던 소년원 기록도 가져왔습니다.
You want to tell me what happened here?
크리스는 복잡한 일에 휘말렸다는 생각에 피곤해했지만
There's a chance that they might try to talk to you. I know. I'm sorry. Apparently someone saw us together at my game. Please don't be mad.
Cooper, you know I have midterms next week. No, it's too much.
Please.
I do not need this.
쿠퍼가 드러낸 진심을 외면하지는 않았죠.
You were right. Me being in the closet, it wasn't just about baseball. I guess I was scared about how he might look at me if he...
And has it?
I don't know. He's not really looking at me at all.
네이트의 엄마는 체포영장이 발부되기 전 도피하자고 제안합니다.
Nate, I want you to come with me.
If you leave now before they issue an arrest, technically you're not a fugitive. Hell, what are you gonna stick around here for anyway?
고민하던 네이트는 부모님조차 자신을 믿지 않음에도 남기로 결정했죠.
Not leaving.
You deserve a second chance, you hear me?
You think I did it, right? It's because you actually
I don't have the right to ask. If you did something, then it's my fault, not yours.
사이먼과의 다툼에 대해서는 이상하게 회피하려는 브로닌. 이 영상 또한 About That에 업로드됩니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, have we found our killer?
That video of you yelling at Simon? That was about me, right? I saw the date on the tape. That's right when he ghosted me.
Because falling for baby's most notorious asshole and sexting him doesn't seem like a genius move.
You went through my fucking phone.
투병 과정에 화학요법 때문에 성장 장애가 생겼던 메이브.
Bronwyn, maybe I was relieved to finally have something to show off, but maybe I actually liked being seen as something other than a bald, flat-chested alien.
사이먼과의 채팅은 어린아이 같은 외모에 대한 컴플렉스의 표출이었습니다.
Can I use your printer?
우연히 이 사실을 알게 된 브로니는 사이먼을 찾아갔고
Fucking pervert.
Bronwyn, who are you?
What the fuck is wrong with you, Simon?
영상은 동생의 사진을 감추려던 과정에서 생긴 다툼이 찍힌 것이었죠.
I know you cheated. I was gonna let it slide. But yeah, I'll leave Maeve alone. Maybe you should worry about yourself.
사실을 털어놓고 의심에서 벗어나라고 했지만
I was just trying to
Protect me?
Mom, Dad, they cannot handle one more crisis.
Yeah? How about you going to prison?
브로니는 동생의 실수를 드러내기를 거부했습니다.
You look 30% less like an asshole.
경찰 조사를 앞둔 에디는 전애에게 사과하며 도움을 청합니다.
It was a dick. I'm sorry. You got any plans? Tonight?
그녀와 함께 의심 가는 사람을 하나씩 추려보는데
Holy crap. It's after 11? Oh, no, I keep it on New York time when my dad's there, because, I mean, it's only like 3 hours ahead.
3시간을 앞서가는 전의 노트북의 시간.
Do you have coffee? I need some caffeine. I actually like it black. Murderer would take it black.
놀란 에디는 노트북을 훔치는데요.
Hey! Wait, is that my computer? As if I'm gonna end up like Simon. You think I killed him? You posted them from your laptop, which is why they were time-stamped 3 hours after they actually dropped. Fine, you're right. I did post them, but only the first ones.
하지만 전에는 글을 올렸을 뿐 자신은 범인이 아니라고 했죠.
That's why I changed Cooper's secret. I'm not a monster. I didn't post the photo of the 4 of you or the video of Bronwyn, and I obviously did not kill him. You can check the timestamps if you don't believe me. There's someone else out there. Whoever's following you guys, that is who killed Simon.
무엇이 진실인지 알 수 없던 에디는 결국 도망쳐버립니다. 다음날 돌아온 에디의 차례.
What can you tell me about Cooper Clay?
쿠퍼를 의심하던 휠러는 에디가 알고 있는 모든 것을 탈탈 털었고
Has Cooper ever talked to you about Simon Kelleher's laptop? Because we think that's maybe how he rewrote the post, using the laptop.
Cooper didn't do that.
Addie, you gotta understand, these kids are not your friends. And that's not the only crime I have to look into here. Are you familiar with the term obstruction of justice?
겁먹은 에디는 노트북이 어디 있었는지 털어놓습니다.
We need to know, Eddie.
Bronwyn had the laptop.
Did you see her with it?
But Nate McCauley did.
안 그래도 1순위였던 네이트는 더욱 강한 압박을 받게 되었죠.
We got a witness that says that Bronwyn Rojas was in possession of Simon Kelleher's laptop. Is that true?
Sorry, just not true.
The kid died. And whoever's responsible is going to be tried as an adult, whether they've turned 18 or not. So tell us the truth. Was Bronwyn Rojas ever in possession of Simon Kelleher's laptop?
브로닌이 참여하는 토론에는 엄청난 인파가 몰려듭니다.
I'll be right. We're about to compete. What's up?
And apparently Addie Prentice is saying
에디의 증언까지 알게 된 브로닌의 부담은 2배로 커졌지만 토론회는 예정대로 시작되었죠.
And today's resolution is instances of high school bullying are as pernicious as acts of physical violence and should be penalized accordingly.
상대편은 이번 사건을 끌고 와 멘탈을 흔들었고
We saw leak footage emerge of an incident involving none other than my opponent, Brahman Rojas, and her former classmate Simon Kelleher.
도를 넘는 조롱도 이어지는데
Don't worry, Bronwyn, you're gonna murder it!
Fuck this. You know what?
참지 못한 메이브는 직접 영상을 해명해버립니다.
I sent Simon some pics. You know, bathroom selfies. And Bronwyn thought that Simon was gonna post them. And she's got this problem where she thinks she needs to protect me from everything all the time. She was just scared everyone would eat me alive. You know, kind of like what you're all doing to her right now? I don't know. Fact check?
그날 밤 에디를 찾아온 전에
Thank you. I didn't want to make your life hell unless I was sure.
사이먼이 죽던 날 놓쳤던 일들에 대해 들려줍니다.
There's something else about the day Simon died.
에디는 급히 문자를 보냈지만 브로니는 대책 회의 중이었고
Bronwyn's story was corroborated. Nate McCauley, he insists he never saw it. So that really helps.
쿠퍼는 크리스와 시간을 보내고 있었죠.
What's going on? The first time I ever messed around. Kyle. Anyway, that weekend, I wanted to see him again, so I texted him. This older guy shows up, his older brother. He started punching me. Punch him back, and I did. I broke his nose. Anyway, when the cops showed up, I started it out of nowhere. I knew that if I didn't say anything, that would be the story. That's what I wanted. So I just took the blame. My dad was able to guess the truth anyway. And I'm so... You have to go. It's not important.
그리고 네이트는 떠날 결심을 한 뒤였습니다.
What do you mean?
아무도 대답하지 않았지만
Seriously? Guys?
누군가 에디를 엿보고 있었죠. 소란과는 별개로 베이뷰의 홈커밍 데이가 시작됩니다. 살인클럽 멤버들도 모두 파티에 참석했는데요. 어젯밤 쫓겼던 에디도 네이트와 함께 등장합니다.
So next time I text the group chat, don't you dare leave me on red.
Seriously though, we need to talk.
Someone was at the water park last night, stalking me.
어김없이 늦게 나타난 네이트 덕분에 위험을 넘겼던 에디. 어제 공개하려던 정보를 공유했죠.
I know who posted our secrets to about that.
You little fucked up gossip girl wannabe.
Why should we listen to her?
Just hear her out.
Please. Somebody locked me out and changed the passwords before the picture of your meeting was posted. Last time I tried to log in, all I got was this threatening message. It popped up and then disappeared. Simon says back off.
그 범인으로는 사건 당일 사이먼과 싸웠던 TJ가 유력했죠.
The day that Simon was murdered, I saw TJ grab him in the hall. They had a whole argument. It's how Simon got detention.
He told me he had done something he wasn't proud of.
에디에게 집착하던 태도나 석연찮은 마지막 말도 의심스러웠습니다.
TJ's like the chillest guy I've ever met. I really don't see it.
평소 지능범의 이미지는 아니었지만 휴대폰을 확인해볼 필요는 있었는데
And then Nate can swing by, swipe his phone, and we can use his location data to retrace his steps.
Yuri's friend. Make him use his phone, check the code. Once he's had a few drinks, I'll bump into him and take it.
Don't you see she's pointing at someone else so we don't focus on her?
Oh, that's normally your thing.
What are you saying?
아직 앙금이 해결되지 않은 네 사람은 싸우기만 하다 헤어졌죠.
I don't trust her. I barely trust any of you.
파티장으로 돌아오자마자 쿠퍼에게 훈수를 두는 제이크.
Don't think I didn't notice you and your murder crew disappear at the same time. You really want to share a hashtag with those people.
Dude, why do you care? What, is this about Addie?
You know, I'd be a shitty friend if I just sat around and watched you throw that all away for them. You're Cooper fucking Clay.
그가 이러는 건 단순히 에디 때문일까요?
You look
ridiculous. I know.
다시 뭉친 소꿉친구.
If Simon was caught fighting with TJ, then why wasn't TJ in detention?
It would at least be on his record.
In her office.
전에의 이야기 중 의심되는 부분을 직접 확인하기로 합니다.
You think there's anything in here that might explain how your mom rose from the dead?
But I'm not sorry you didn't know the truth. Because that would mean you know about her mental health issues.
두 사람은 불 꺼진 교장실에서 꼭 알고 싶었던 이야기도.
Yeah, hey Jim, we need you downstairs. Damn it. Copy that. On my way.
We should get moving.
전에의 말이 사실이라는 것도 확인했죠.
Simon's detention slip for an altercation with TJ.
Why was Simon the only one who got detention?
에디는 TJ에게 접근합니다.
I mean, you would know if you hadn't ghosted me.
TJ, look, I was in a bad place. Can we please talk? How about a dance?
What about your ex?
It's our last homecoming. There's no one else I'd rather dance with right now.
이미 여러 번 거절당했던 TJ는 경계했지만 곧 누그러졌는데.
This isn't going according to plan.
About that night.
And? Do I cut in?
갑자기 끼어든 제이크 때문에 계획은 수포로 돌아갔죠.
Have fun.
Jake, what are we even doing right now?
금 망해버린 작전을 수습하기 위해 분투하는 전에.
Right, it's time to announce your homecoming king and queen, TJ and Addie.
그러나 상황은 전에의 뜻대로 흘러가지 않았습니다.
Okay, yeah. Who gives a fuck? Because somebody murdered him. And the killer is someone you know. Someone at this stupid fucking dance, probably. No, one more thing. The baby and four are innocent.
I lost TJ.
소란을 틈타 목표는 사라졌고
I'll check the parking lot for his jeep.
4인방은 TJ를 찾아 흩어졌죠.
Great speech.
그 사이 남겨진 메이브는 전해를 위로하는데.
Something I like to remember is that stars are dead too.
Why don't you just tell her you like her?
Is that why you've been flirting with her all day?
What? I'm admiring her features.
전해의 짝사랑 상대는 메이브였습니다.
But why are you acting like you don't give a fuck? If you don't make a move, I can't promise I won't.
전해가 약에 손댔던 것도 그녀 때문이었고.
Hey, Nate.
Janae, you still alive?
약물 과다 복용으로 사망했다는 소문의 학생도 전해였죠.
So I'm gonna back off from Maeve.
It's not about Maeve.
You're gonna make me say it.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry.
그녀가 이 비밀을 꺼내려는 순간
What is that?
I got one of these before and then it just disappeared. Like that.
Shit.
메이브는 망설이는 전해 대신 사물함을 찾아 달려갑니다.
Maeve! Maeve, wait!
No sign of TJ.
네이트가 떠나려는 이유도 망설이는 이유도 알고 있었던 브로니.
You didn't see Wheeler coming after me in the interrogation.
Because you wouldn't give me away? If you don't believe in this crazy plan, then why are you even here?
가장 중요한 말을 끌어내려고 하지만
Please tell me you've seen Maeve?
전해 덕분에 대답은 듣지 못했죠.
Hey, let's dance. Because people are talking about you.
This love is don't know what to call. It's starting up a wildfire.
I don't think I can do this anymore.
쿠퍼는 킬리와의 가짜 연애를 끝내기로 합니다.
Killy, wait. Okay, I will talk to your parents. I will be there if Zach shows up. But you do not need me to be your boyfriend.
킬리는 어느새 쿠퍼를 좋아하게 됐다며 붙잡았고
I think I love you. Or I wouldn't have done the things I've done.
자신이 그를 위해 저질렀던 일을 털어놓는데
Simon came to me.
He somehow figured out you're gay. That if I didn't give him something juicier in exchange.
And you did.
I saw Addie and TJ at the beach together.
제각기 바빠 아무리 불러도 나타나지 않는 친구들. 에디는 이번에도 혼자 행동을 개시합니다.
Please don't be mad, TJ.
Fuck you, Addie.
You're right, you know. Jake doesn't deserve me.
I thought you blocked that whole night out as soon as Jake got back.
For a while, I tried to forget.
Really gonna act like you didn't just...
너무 허술했지만
I'll let you sleep on it.
Wait. Is this what you were really after all night? You're gonna explain it to me.
TJ.
What's going on?
때맞춰 도착한 쿠퍼 덕분에 목표를 이룰 수 있었죠.
Locker 1 or 2.
102번 사물함은 에디의 사물함. 먼저 사물함을 열어본 메이브가 전해를 불러냅니다.
Are you okay?
그 안에는 사라졌던 에피펜이 들어있었죠.
We got CJ's phone.
Bad news? You might be going to jail.
누군가의 함정이라고 생각한 브로니는 TJ의 폰을 확인해보라며 메이브를 따돌렸고
Janae, would you go with her? Make sure she's okay.
Come on.
I just didn't want them around when we talk about destroying evidence.
And they wouldn't believe Addie. They wouldn't believe any of us.
You guys believe me, right?
I do. This is clearly a setup. I, for one, don't think anyone here killed Simon.
All right, well, how do we even do it?
네 사람은 함께 증거를 없애며 친구가 됩니다.
You guys were wrong about TJ.
그리고 안타깝게도 TJ는 범인이 아니었죠.
Yeah, it's great. Because that went nowhere.
That wasn't for nothing. That was for Simon. Janae!
Babe, please, I can't. Please stop showing up for me.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
I like you. So I really would appreciate it if you could stay away from me.
진짜 친구가 된 네 사람. 서로 알고 있는 걸 공유하며 추리에 들어가는데
What if Simon didn't post all the secrets he knew? I just found out that Keely was trying to keep Simon from posting one of my secrets in exchange for something better.
So Keely told him about me and TJ.
Is that a
camera flash?
누군가의 도찰. 조회수에 돌아버린 여자 버네사였습니다.
That is it? I've had enough of your shit.
You are so lucky I have Apple Care.
She's definitely moved up on my suspect list.
I am not giving this win to fucking Vanessa. If they want to stare, let's give them something to stare at.
완전히 열받은 내 식구. 어차피 받을 감시라면 차라리 당당해지기로 하는데요.
Well, Miss Rojas.
Fuck it.
You found a new girl and it only just found for you, she really helped.
한참 신난 와중에 옥상에서 빠져나온 TJ.
TJ, I'm so sorry.
뒤늦은 사과를 건네던 에디는
Okay, I really did. I did everything for you, and you.
Wait. Did you trade someone else's secret to protect ours? Is that why you fought in the hallway because he was going to post it anyway? Who?
그의 깨름칙한 일에 대해서 알게 됩니다.
Miss Avery?
You happy?
Nate? We're gonna get who did this. Well, I don't want this to be the last time we dance. Will you stay? For me?
대책 없이 마음이 편해진 순간
You're under arrest for the murder of Simon Kelleher.
들이닥친 경찰은 네이트를 체포합니다.
No, you're making a mistake.
Mom.
그의 오토바이에서 에피펜이 발견되었던 거지요.
I have good news. Principal Gupta called.
브로닌의 징계는 없던 일이 됐고
So, how's the LSA?
예일대 지원이 코앞이었지만
Mom, he didn't do it. I mean, an anonymous tip?
Sweetheart, there isn't anything you can do about it. That could start with your personal statement.
진학보다 네이트의 무죄 입증이 중요했습니다.
Fuck this.
부모님들은 원치 않았지만
Dad, don't you think maybe we should postpone?
Tell him that Nate just tried to drag you guys down with him, but you didn't let him.
친구들은 네이트의 누명을 벗기기 위해 모였죠.
So what's the plan? Miss Avery. But now we know that she did because Simon had something on her.
에이버리의 비밀이 무엇인지를 알아내야 했습니다.
Miss Avery?
전애가 그녀를 떠봤지만
I know Simon was going to write about you, but I wanted to give you a chance to explain.
Are you giving me a chance to explain, or are you fishing for me to say something?
Simon texted me about it.
Can you show me? Nice try, Janae. But I think we're done here.
어른은 만만치 않았습니다.
She knew the text was fake, and I think she guessed I was recording.
I don't know if she was bluffing.
하지만 기회는 생각보다 빨리 찾아왔죠.
Now what? We need to see who she's meeting.
에이버리를 미행한 친구들.
Is this a stakeout? Can we put the top on? Look!
Wait, is that?
이 사건에 버네사까지 끼어 있다는 사실은 꽤 놀라웠는데요.
Do you think they were having an affair?
Okay, but do you really think that Vanessa would go for Miss Avery?
But I feel like I don't know anyone anymore. I'll try talking to Vanessa.
제이크의 재결합 제이는 더욱 놀라웠죠.
You were my whole world, Ads. With one of my best friends, I just
Jake, I never meant to hurt you.
want my ads back.
I don't miss her. You know how good it feels to not be so careful all the time.
그는 에디의 새로운 모습도 받아들이고 변화하겠다고 약속합니다.
I mean, I'm not the same guy that I was 2 months ago either.
The ice cream pop-up. You didn't want to go.
No, but you did, and it sounds fun.
하지만 친구들과 멀어지길 바란다는 조건.
Wake up from this nightmare and go back to normal, please.
Fuck. Jake, we can't just pretend that these past 2 months didn't happen.
에디는 조금 더 고민해보기로 했죠.
Really hope you say yes.
검사는 네이트에게 양형 거래를 제안합니다.
If you plead guilty to taking the EpiPens, they'll reduce the charges to involuntary manslaughter. But with good behavior, he could be out in 4. If we go to trial, you could get life.
이 사실을 안 브로니는 수업도 제치고 결근한 에이버리의 집으로 달려가는데
She knows we're onto her. We have to find her.
Cool.
Well, at least she's not already in Tijuana.
Is she?
Can I offer you some tea?
그때 필사적으로 버네사를 따라다니던 에디.
Oh, shit, Ads, you gotta go to the nurse.
Oh, fuck, Vanessa. But I know that he had something on Miss Avery. But Nate is my friend now, and I don't want him to go to jail for something he didn't do.
Ads, get off your knees. Everyone already thinks you're a slut.
전혀 예상치 못한 진실을 듣게 됩니다.
I had an abortion, Addie. She's like the opposite of a killer.
I know what you all think of me, but I'm not a monster.
She helped me make an appointment with a good doctor. She even paid for it so my parents would never find out.
에이버리는 버네사를 돕기 위해 학칙을 어겼고 그걸 감추기 위해 사이먼과 거래했다는 것.
Do something for me in exchange.
He had me give you all detention that day.
How do we know that you didn't take that opportunity to kill him yourself?
I wasn't even in the room. I was dealing with the streakers.
추리는 또다시 원점.
Even if Vanessa's telling the truth, it doesn't mean that Avery is.
How could you know that the streakers would be there at that exact moment? Is it possible that they were supposed to be there? Maybe she orchestrated for the streakers to be there too, so she'd have an alibi?
친구들은 사건 당일 벌거벗고 날뛰던 학생 중 하나인 헌터를 찾아보기로 합니다.
Is this a boyfriend?
No, he's just a friend. But I also don't think I would have gotten through all this without him, so...
크리스와 같은 학교 출신이었죠.
What are you doing here?
Your mom gave me her spot.
Listen to me. You can't take the plea deal. We think we know who did it.
브로니는 양형 거래를 받아들이지 말라고 했지만
If I take it, it's over. For all of us.
What if we make bail?
Don't even think about it.
네이트는 자신의 희생으로 나머지가 편해지길 바란다며 대화를 거부합니다.
Go get ready for the Ivy League, and I'll be doing whatever the opposite of that is.
No.
Are you sure that car is Hunter's?
헌터를 찾으러 간 쿠퍼.
Okay, don't. You just act like a perfectly normal...
크리스는 알아보는 시선을 조심스러워했지만
Yeah. You know, I've been thinking. You know, like there's baseball Cooper, and there's school Cooper, and there's at-home Cooper, and then there's murder suspect Cooper, and then goes to his stupid homecoming dance with Keely, but wishes he was with you, Cooper. God, there's only one Cooper who's happy. That's the one who's with you.
쿠퍼는 이제 애매했던 관계를 정립하기로 했죠.
All I wanna do is dance.
그때 나타난 헌터.
Wait, is that him? Hunter! Oh, fuck.
쿠퍼를 보자마자 미친 듯이 도망칩니다.
Yo, okay. Hey, not my arm. You leave him the fuck alone. Back off. I didn't do anything, all right? He's the dangerous one.
쿠퍼가 범인이라고 생각했던 그는 정말 누군가의 사주를 받았다고 털어놨고.
Did somebody pay you to streak on the first day of school?
It wasn't you?
No!
They paid us on Venmo. I never got a name. That's the payment. That's all I know, I swear.
Oh my god. It's Simon. Yeah. Anarchist SK was his gamer tag.
놀랍게도 송금한 아이디는 사이먼의 것이었죠.
I'm confused. Why would Simon want to create a distraction?
To get Miss Avery out of her room.
친구들은 이 모든 것이 사이먼의 자작극이 아닐까 의심하게 됩니다.
If Simon orchestrated this whole thing, then that means that did Simon ever talk about killing himself?
No.
전에는 절대 그럴 일 없다며 반발했지만
You knew him, right? So you know he wouldn't do that.
메이브는 삶에 애착이 별로 없었던 그의 모습을 떠올렸죠.
Smiling to be the perfect son for the perfect mayor in this perfect town, and it's all a lie. I just can't wait to leave.
I think that maybe I didn't know him like I thought I did.
Janae, you're all fucking wrong. Janae!
친구들은 네이트를 빼내기 위해 지금까지 알아본 것들을 필러에게 알립니다.
Okay, but is it enough to free Nate?
The only thing you did here was get your teacher fired before you cause any more damage or get charged with obstruction of justice and wind up with Nate in jail. We're done here.
크게 실망한 두 친구는 이번 일에서 손을 떼기로 했죠.
I don't want to be charged with obstruction. Shit, I have to go.
Seriously?
I'm sorry, Bronwyn.
I'm sorry.
쿠퍼는 아버지가 준비한 인터뷰를 위해 집으로 달려갔지만
When are you going to stop lying to me? What? Is this who you were playing basketball with?
크리스와의 관계를 알아버린 아버지는 일정을 모두 취소했습니다.
I didn't know that that would happen.
You were blowing it. As if you still want it.
Of course, now more than ever. But you know what? I want to be myself too.
하지만 쿠퍼는 솔직한 삶을 원한다며 호소했고 아버지의 뜻을 거슬렀죠.
He's not my friend. He's my boyfriend. You want me to stop lying? This is where I stop lying. I want to play baseball, and I want to be out while I do it. I think I'm that good.
Nobody's that good.
Oh, I guess we'll find out.
I finished my personal statement. Do you guys want to hear?
브로닌도 다 잊고 입시를 준비하라는 부모님 말씀에 순종할 수 없었습니다.
I was so desperate to maintain my identity as a perfect student that I stole exam questions from my chemistry teacher. And it worked. And I know admitting all of this is not going to get me admitted into Yale, but I've also learned that there are more important things, like getting Nate out of jail.
Bronwyn, we've already talked about this.
Focus on writing anything else while I know Nate is sitting in jail. And I'm telling you what is most important for me right now is helping Nate. Because I love him. And because it's the right thing to do.
부모님은 결국 그녀의 뜻에 따라 네이트의 보석금을 마련해 주었죠.
Do you want to sign it or do you want to fight this?
Fucking Roz.
성과도 없이 번외사와의 약속을 저버린 에디.
I'll hook you up Sunday. Good man. You okay?
Really sorry we missed the ice cream pop-up.
Does that mean you're done with all this Scooby-Doo stuff then?
Yeah, I'm done.
다시 제이크에게 기대는데요.
Cool if I fall asleep while you play?
그의 집에서 아주 놀라운 것을 발견합니다.
Welcome to your nightmare. It's causing yeah, you're getting hot.
사이먼의 아이디가 그대로 남아있는 게임기였죠.
I'm sorry, I forgot you were friends with him.
No, trust me, I'd rather forget too.
Video games used to be our thing. The one thing that I wouldn't be able to take is you lying to me.
Hey, babe.
남자친구를 의심하고 싶지 않았던 에디는 혼란스러웠죠.
What the fuck is he doing here?
네이트는 학교로 돌아왔고
Fucking Roz.
사건 해결에 목숨을 건 브로니는 자신이 알아낸 것들을 알렸습니다.
How do you think Yale likes students who bail out murderers, Bronwyn?
Oh, I'm still going to Yale because they're going to prove you're innocent. Simon didn't kill himself. He brought extra EpiPens to the nurse's office on the first day of school. But he did set us up. He wanted us there.
What, so you're saying Simon wanted us to find the EpiPens in the nurse's office, but something went wrong?
Nothing went wrong. Somebody stole them. Somebody who knew what was going to happen.
자작극을 벌인 건 맞지만 그 사실을 아는 누군가가 방해했다는 것. 전날 에디가 보낸 사진은 이 의심에 확신을 주었죠.
Were you with Jake last night? This is his? Was he friends with Simon?
제이크와 재결합한 에디는 애매한 태도를 유지했지만
I thought we were done with all this Scooby-Doo shit.
Well, I'm not. Nate is awaiting trial. Remember?
I'm not losing Jake too.
제이크가 범인이라면 모든 것이 들어맞았죠.
I only have one class with Jake, Miss Avery's. Simon wasn't close enough to me that day to plant the phone in my bag. But Jake, when your phone went missing that day, was Jake around?
Jake's always around. He's my friend. What about Nate?
Do you know what's so weird about Simon and Jake using the Xbox to chat? What did Jake take from Simon's room at the wake? His Xbox. And Jake was taking evidence.
진실을 확인하려면 엑스박스가 필요했습니다.
Where's the Xbox?
At his dad's house.
Is that where he's gonna throw his Halloween party?
Are you fucking kidding me?
그러나 에디는 이 작전에 동의하지 않았고
You're not only calling him a murderer, but also a total fucking psychopath.
This is insane. It's Jake.
Addie, Jake is a controlling sociopath. Hey, Addie, he doesn't love you. He loves having a puppet. That's
What the fuck is going on here?
한참 신랑이 중에 등장한 제이크는
Why were you talking to Simon on Xbox? Addie told us you saw the whole chat history with Anarchisk.
No, that was just some random Fortnite kid. I mean, what exactly am I being accused of here?
모든 질문을 부인하고
Babe.
Jake, come on. Jake!
Stop. You been spying on me, Ed?
No, it wasn't like that. I thought it was weird, but then you explained it all, and it makes sense that Simon was a total creep and did that.
It's your choice.
가스라이팅과 함께 사라졌습니다.
If we want to crash this party, we're gonna need costumes.
결국 남은 방법은 잠입이었죠.
Sounds crazy. It's insane.
We need you, because we can't just sneak in through the front door, but you have got an invitation.
친구들이 추리한 그대로의 인간이었던 제이크.
I was thinking, what if we both look amazing?
What?
Yeah, I brought my own costume. But a bunny costume?
Yeah, a very, very cute and sexy bunny. Okay, look, if you'd rather us do your thing, I guess that's cool too.
그는 우연한 기회로 에디가 바람 피운 것을 알게 되었고.
So what'd you say to her?
Dumbass. What are you?
Hey, aren't you friends with that Janae chick? She's like totally fucked up. You should probably come help.
Yeah.
Jake, I said
She's
why, man?
cheating on you, genius. Look, man, you know I don't lie.
직접 사이먼에게 글을 써달라고 의뢰했습니다.
You crossed me. I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Why would I help you? You're the biggest fake I know.
How about this? What if I dare you?
그 대가는 사이먼의 자작극에 동참하는 것이었죠.
You remember the time you dared me to take peanut oil in gym class? Make it look like a jock poisoned me?
When you think about it, nobody would have believed that they wanted to kill you back then. But
now what?
A lot of assholes hate you, Simon. I dare you.
You're sick.
그러나 사이먼은 계획을 엑스박스에 녹음했고.
Oh man, I can't wait to see their faces. You're gonna be there, right?
Outside detention, just in case?
I told you nothing to tie me to any of this. I mean, that's why we're doing this and not planning over cookies.
Well, I guess I shouldn't have recorded all of our conversations then.
Dumbass.
제이크는 이 계획을 마친 후 그도 함께 없애야겠다고 결심합니다.
You know what? I'll be there. No EpiPen in your bag. They have to run down to the nurse's office, run back. They save you in the nick of time. Hey, Simon, we'll teach them a lesson they'll never forget. I dare you. It'll dissolve as soon as you put it in water.
Everything I've done to expose the liars and fakes. And now I'm about to fake my own assassination attempt.
For the last time.
I'll see you on the other side.
유인책을 맡게 된 쿠퍼.
Hope you're not who I think you are.
제이크는 그를 반기지 않았지만
Don't make me throw you out, man.
I was just playing along, bro.
힘든 구석을 어필하며 다가가자.
Bro, I don't even know who you are anymore. Right, come on, let's go.
Hey, Jake, you wanna know who I am? I'm gay.
아주 쉽게 마음을 열었습니다.
Do you know how hard it's been for me not being able to talk to my best friend about any of this?
Need a drink?
Double whiskey soda?
You know me so well. Look, I appreciate you being honest with me.
How's about that drink?
Cheers.
Cheers.
친구들은 그 사이 몰래 제이크의 집을 뒤졌는데요.
There's no fucking Xbox in there. I looked everywhere. Drawers, everything. There's nothing.
If I were him, I would put the thing under lock and key. Let's go this way.
전애가 제이크와 딱 마주치고 말았죠.
Hello?
You okay, babe?
Yeah, she just came in.
I invited her.
What are you wearing?
그런데 집을 뒤지는 전애보다 에디가 자기 말을 듣지 않는 게 더 열받는 제이크.
Alright, fine. Have fun with your new friend.
How do you like them pancakes, huh?
전애는 이 모습이 기가 찼지만
She's not my friend.
에디는 이번에도 남친의 입맛에 맞춘 선택지를 고릅니다.
Well, that's just fucking awesome.
I'm done with those losers, I swear. My costume is much cuter. I'll go change.
그 사이 두 친구의 보물찾기가 끝나고
Whatever's in here is important because this lock is the shit.
I think you may need this.
연기의 달인이 된 에디가 열쇠를 조달합니다.
Now it's broken because of pancakes.
What you doing here, huh?
그러나 의심을 풀지 않고 있었던 제이크.
Absolutely, I do.
Oh, it's Jake.
No, he didn't.
총까지 들고 달려왔고
If I pull this trigger right now, who do you think the cops are gonna believe, huh? Hey?
에디는 창밖으로 뛰어내려 도망칩니다. 숨가쁘게 도망쳤지만 도망치기 역부족이었죠.
You know I know how to use this.
I know.
You know this is your fault. Simon would still be alive right now if you just hadn't been a slut. I didn't even give you a second chance, and now.
쿠퍼가 쫓아왔지만
Hey.
총 때문에 접근이 쉽지 않았는데요.
It's nothing against you, man. I just wanted to get rid of the fucking genius who really believed he could play me. Cheating. Girlfriend.
그의 첫 실수는 여자친구를 너무 무시했다는 것이었고
It's a shame that nobody thought she was smart enough to come up with a plan half as good as mine. So I had to go with plan B. Well, now you will. Give me the Xbox, babe.
Do whatever you want us to do.
두 번째도 그랬습니다. 몸싸움을 벌이던 그들 사이에 총성이 울리고 쓰러진 사람은 제이크였습니다.
What now?
2주 뒤
So were you at Jake's party?
I was at home that night. Where else would I be?
친구들은 엑스박스를 들킨 제이크가 도주했다며 사건을 덮었습니다.
I didn't even know that Jake was into video games.
Can I go back to class now?
친구들은 일상으로 돌아가는데요.
I called you on the burner phone yesterday and said the number didn't exist.
We were not each other's normal.
그러나 사건은 아직 끝나지 않았죠. 하이틴 범죄 스릴러 드라마 누군가는 거짓말을 하고 있다는 유니버셜의 스트리밍 서비스인 피콕 오리지널 작품입니다. 2017년 출간된 베스트셀러 소설을 원작으로 제작되었는데요. 학교에서 발생한 독살 사건의 비밀을 파헤치는 평범한 플롯으로 시작하지만 처음부터 끝까지 모든 등장인물이 수상한 제법 쫀쫀한 긴장감을 유지하며 무려 아가사 크리스티의 재림이라는 평을 받기도 했습니다. 살인사건이라는 소재를 다루고 있지만 풋풋한 하이틴 로맨스와 10대 소년들의 성장기 덕분에 자극적인 범죄물을 좋아하지 않는 분들도 재미있게 즐길 수 있을 것 같네요. 끝난 줄 알았던 작품은 친구들의 비밀을 알고 있는 누군가의 경고로 끝이 났는데요. 이들의 뒷이야기가 담긴 시즌2가 이미 공개되어 있으니 궁금하신 분들은 넷플릭스에서 찾아보시기를 추천드리며 저는 다음에 또 재밌는 콘텐츠로 돌아오도록 하겠습니다. 이상 어바웃 타임이었습니다.